Good evening, and I am back. This time I will open a Fierce Fist. Um, this one I already took it out of the blister box pack. It's 20 grams. Let's see. Ugh, okay. I don't know if this is the same trick. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and you should have nothing, right? Nothing down here. Tyrant, Trainer, Raba, Landorus. He's cool. He's rare. And the last card is Tornadoes. Wow, I heard they are like enemies. Yep. So there you go. Next one. 9.3. This one is 20.1. Let's see what we got in this pack. One, two, three. 1, 2. Nothing here. Jaw fossil. Weird. Sparkling robe. Minshow. Breloom. Breloom reverse rare. And the last card. Oh, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. We have a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. And this is. Oh yeah, I think that's. Oh yeah, it's the one of the secret. Wow, this is a secret card. Yes! Yes, ladies and gentlemen, yes. Can't get any sweeter than this. No, it cannot. That is amazing. Secret. This just made my day. Made my day. So 20.1 is our going weight. Oh, this one is keep changing. 20. So earlier we waited 20 and we got nothing. Just it's just a basic rare. So we will see if this is the same thing as the other one, which we didn't get anything. Just a regular basic cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Probably did it wrong. So, oh well. Trainer, Raichu, Bouncer, Scrafty, and should be nothing in here. Oh, another. Lucky. Oh shit. Sorry for cursing. We got a ultra rare trainer. Wow. Getting good pulls on this one, on this batch. There you go. That's two. Open up this one. Oh, this one is 20.1. So we will open that. One, two, three, 1, 2. Nothing. Right. Scrafty. Hitmontop. Wow, that's a weird name. Trainer. Focus Sash. And parallel set is Golett. And the last card is... oh, nothing. Oh, slacking. Parallel. That's not bad. Let me go here. Okay. What else? Wait a minute. Oh. Trash. Last one. 29.3. This is 20.1. Turn around. Now it's 19. I don't know why it's doing that. And turn it off. Turn it back on. 20. One, two, three. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. Nothing there. So, are we gonna get lucky with this one? Probably not. Joe Fossil. Super Scoop. Up. No scoop. Poop. Golett. I already have Golett. What do we have here? Oh, yes! Yes! Another one. Dragonite. EX. Oh! Awesome. I don't have this one yet. Yes! Jackpot. There you have it. the secret rare, and Dragonite. This one was earlier, so all in all, not bad. So I will see you guys later, and for another opening of Pokemon Blister Packs.